sure it's no surprise to you that managing product complexity is a core enterprise challenge for many manufacturing industries. You know, in today's market, customers expect to get a product that fits exactly to their needs, whether it's color, size, or other key features that are important to them. Windchill 10 meets this growing challenge by improving your ability to align critical design deliverables of the virtual world and the physical world, the CAD models, and the part structure, and secondly, provide more powerful ways to control the options for your product families. These enhancements help ensure a consistent approach across the enterprise, from EBOM to MBOM and ServiceBOM, to plan, analyze, and produce key product configurations. Let me tell you how we do this. First, Windchill enables designers to start top-down, to define the architecture of a product organized into modules and parts. Then they can create or update a virtual representation, the CAD model structure, from that part structure. These top-down enhancements reduce duplicate tasks and help the engineer to quickly get to work on their designs. Windchill also helps engineers working in large CAD models to quickly focus on their task by zooming in spatially or by the options used to sell the product to show only the parts desired for their activity. These design and context capabilities offer a fast, visual way to define zones of interest in a design that may never have been assembled in CAD before. Secondly, Windchill introduces a new approach to describe the options of a product family and define key configurations around the ways the product is sold. Design teams can easily reuse this logic across product families, as well as create and update variants of their products using these capabilities. Combined, these new features help reduce the complexity, giving you the ability to innovate more compelling products, analyze the concepts, and validate key configurations. This helps to streamline other deliverables, such as the manufacturing plan, to more effectively manage a product from concept through service. If you haven't already, check out the demonstration video to see some of the features discussed here.